and welcome to Maxit. Today we're looking at the all confirmed specifications and features of the iPhone 12 series, as unveiled during Apple's launch event. We're a new channel and really would appreciate your support, so please like and subscribe. Apple is launching 4 new iPhones, a 5.4-inch iPhone 12 mini, a 6.1-inch iPhone 12, a 6.1-inch iPhone 12 Pro and a 6.7-inch iPhone 12 Pro Max. All the phones will feature a Super Retina XDR display with an OLED screen. This is a transition from the LCD screen as seen in the iPhone 11. The glass has been coated with what Apple calls ceramic shield for up to 4 times better protection if dropped. Another common ground for these phones is the A14 Bionic processor built on a 5nm process, which Apple claim will be 50% faster than the leading Android chip. The same goes for the GPU, which Apple says is the best in any current phone. Apple have also improved the wireless charging with a MagSafe system. It gives built-in magnets to guarantee that the iPhones properly line up with supported MagSafe accessories. The phones are all fast charge capable with up to 50% charge in just 30 minutes with a 20-watt adapter, sold separately. The phones are IP68 rated and will be water resistant in 6 meters for up to 30 minutes. So, in the box will be an iPhone with iOS 14, a USB-C to Lightning cable and documentation. As rumoured, no power adapter or headphones will be included. All the phones will have flat sides for a look similar to that of the iPad Pro. The 12 and 12 mini will use aluminium, whilst the 12 Pro and Pro Max will have stainless steel sides. Apart from the flat sides, they do resemble their predecessor, the iPhone 11, with the top notch that houses Apple's Face ID technology, though the bezels around the edges have been slightly reduced in size. So those are the similarities. Now how about the differences? A noticeable difference is the rear camera setup. The iPhone 12 mini and iPhone 12 will feature a dual rear camera with a 12 megapixel wide and a 12 megapixel ultra wide. The front camera is a 12 megapixel true depth camera which will be gaining night mode. It will record in Dolby Vision HDR at 30 frames per second and will have a 2 times optical zoom. Whereas the iPhone 12 Pro and the 12 Pro Max will have 4 cameras, a 12 megapixel ultra wide, wide and a telephoto. The 12 Pro will have dual optical image stabilization and the 12 Pro Max will use sensor shift optical image stabilization. They will feature a leader scanner for night mode portraits. Both give 4K video recording at 24, 30 or 60 frames per second and a true depth 12 megapixel front camera with Retina flash. Another obvious difference is the colour and storage option available. The iPhone 12 mini and iPhone 12 are available in 5 colours: white, black, blue, green and red, and with 3 non-expandable storage options: 64GB, 128GB and a 256GB option, while the 12 Pro and the 12 Pro Max come in a choice of 4 colours: Pacific Blue, Gold, Graphite and Silver, and will be available with a choice of 128GB, 256GB and a 512GB option. The resolutions for each phone is as follows. The iPhone 12 mini will have 2340 by 1080 at 476 ppi, whilst the iPhone 12 and iPhone 12 Pro will have 2532 by 1170 at 460 ppi. The 12 Pro Max will have 2778 by 1284 at 458 ppi. The contrast ratio will be 2 million to 1, with each featuring a true tone display, haptic touch, and 1200 nits of brightness in HDR. 800 typical in the Pro and Pro Max and 625 typical in the 12 and 12 mini. So let's look at the price. The price will be the same in dollars and in pounds, and in the iPhone 12 mini will start at $699 to $849, while the iPhone 12 will be $799 to $949, the 12 Pro $999 to $1,299, whilst the 12 Pro Max will start at $1,099 to $1,399. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please like and give the thumbs up. Bye bye for now.